Hermes Agent is now free forever. You can run Hermes Agent completely free now. Forever. No catch. No trial that quietly runs dry. And the piece that makes it all work? That's free too. I run this exact setup inside my Agent OS every single day. Give me a few minutes and I'll walk you through the whole thing. Let's do it. I'm Ava, and I help people actually use AI tools instead of just watching endless videos about them. Today, I'm giving you the whole setup. Hermes Agent running the show, OpenCode doing the building, all inside my Agent OS. And there's one thing you've got to get right, or the whole thing falls over. I'll get to that near the end. Let's get into it. Let me lay it out simply. Hermes Agent is free open source, made by News Research, running right on your own machine. Here's what trips people up. Hermes was never supposed to write the code itself. You give it OpenCode for that. OpenCode is an open source coding agent with free models already inside. So both halves are free and they work as a team. The way I think about it, OpenCode is the brain that writes, and Hermes is the hands that keep everything moving. What ties them together is a skill News made just for this. It's the OpenCode skill. Turn it on, and Hermes stops trying to build anything itself and passes every job straight to OpenCode. And I keep all of it inside my Agent OS. So it's one screen, everything wired together, instead of me juggling 10 tabs. Here's the first thing I made with it. I used this setup to build a full landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom, the page that shows people what they're getting and pulls them in. I put one task into my Agent OS, Hermes took it, sent the build to OpenCode, and a finished page came back to me. I didn't write a line of code. That's exactly the kind of thing that brings the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom, and all it needed from me was a single sentence. Now this is where it really opens up, because it's not just one agent on one job. Inside my Agent OS, I've got a Kanban board running. If you haven't seen one, picture a board with columns to do, in progress, done like sticky notes, but for your agents. I add a task as a ticket. Hermes grabs it, reads it, figures out everything it involves, and chops it into smaller pieces. Then it hands each piece to OpenCode to build. So the whole thing becomes an assembly line. The ticket goes in at one end. Hermes sits right in the middle as the dispatcher, picking up work and passing it along. OpenCode is the builder, writing every single line. And at the far end, out comes a finished build that's already been checked. And if a piece breaks along the way, it doesn't just sit there waiting on me. It has another go, right on the board, until it gets there. I come back to work that's done, not a chat asking me what's next. And here's the bit almost nobody nails. Hermes doesn't write the code, not one line. Its profile is set up so every job runs through OpenCode, and then Hermes checks the result before anything moves on. So the one giving orders and the one building never mix together. Hermes is the manager, OpenCode is the specialist. And that's a big deal, because when one agent tries to plan and build at the same time, it rushes and it marks its own work. Keep them apart, and the manager catches whatever the builder got wrong. That's the actual secret. Lock that in, and you can point the whole thing at real work and walk away. Maybe you're thinking, this sounds brilliant, but there's no way I'm setting all of this up myself. That's the whole reason I put my Agent OS together the way I did. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you get my full Agent OS as a zip you just install, with Hermes and OpenCode already hooked up and the OpenCode skill already switched on for you. Nothing to hunt for. We've also laid out a full 30-day roadmap alongside it, so you always know what to set up first, then next, and so on. On the live coaching calls, you can share your screen and I'll help you get your own board up and running. And the walkthroughs for this exact Hermes and OpenCode setup are waiting inside. It's all there in the AI Profit Boardroom. Now, OpenCode is one free brain, but not your only choice. You can drop other open models into Hermes too. There's Ling 3.0, a fast open model from Ant built for agent work like this. There's North Mini Code, Cohere's little coding model, and the clever part is it was trained to run inside coding agents like OpenCode, so it fits right in. And there's OmniRoute, which isn't a model at all. It's a free gateway. You aim Hermes at it, and it quietly shares your work across a pool of free providers. So the second one runs dry, it hops to the next without you touching a thing. That's a big part of keeping this free. And inside my Agent OS, I can hop between them with one command. So I'm never stuck on one. So what can it actually make? Real things websites. Small apps, full dashboards. I've watched it build clean landing pages and neat little apps with no babysitting from me. Here's a second one I use a lot. I use it to build a simple analytics dashboard for the AI Profit Boardroom, so I can glance at what our members are engaging with. I hand Hermes the task, it breaks it up, OpenCode builds the pieces, and back comes a working dashboard. That shows me what the AI Profit Boardroom needs more of, which turns into better stuff for everyone in there. Let me lay out the difference, because it's night and day. The old way is one agent, one prompt, one build at a time. And you're the courier in the middle, going back and forth, typing the prompt out again every time something breaks. It's tiring, and you can't step away for a second. The new way, your tickets sit on the board. Hermes claims them and passes them to OpenCode. The broken bits fix themselves. And you come back to things that are already done. You're not the middleman anymore. That's the whole change. You go from doing the work to just checking it. Let me show you what it looks like as it happens. Say I drop a ticket that says, build a new page about the AI Profit Boardroom. My Hermes profile picks it up and sorts it. It slides into to-do and gets split into subtasks: research, design, build, check. Then OpenCode works through them, and you watch the cards travel across the board, from to-do, to in progress, to done. I'm not steering any of it. I gave it one sentence and let it run. And that's the third way I use this. I could take my entire content plan for the AI Profit Boardroom, drop each idea in as its own ticket, and let the board work through them one by one while I go do something else. More of the right content, less of me stuck in the weeds. All of it feeding back into the AI Profit Boardroom. Now, here's a part I really love. Inside my Agent OS, I set up a separate profile for each model, so I can try them and switch between them whenever I want. And on top of that, I build custom workflows. They look much nicer than a plain chat, and they can run on a schedule. So I can tell it every day, build me something new based on my Obsidian notes and whatever you think would help. Obsidian is the memory layer in my Agent OS. Just plain text, notes the agents can read. So it looks over what I've been working on lately and builds. I've even got a workflow that handles outreach and follow-ups for me quietly in the background. So what's the single biggest advantage of running an Agent OS? Everything I've just shown you: Hermes running the show, OpenCode building, the free model routing, the Kanban board, the profiles, the scheduled workflows, the Obsidian memory, all in one place, already wired together. You're not taping 10 tools together and hoping they get along. One dashboard, one brain, one memory, and free models you can swap underneath anytime. That's the difference between a pile of AI tools and a real AI team that shows up for you every day. A few quick tips before you go. First, the one rule that holds this together: keep Hermes and OpenCode in their own lanes. Hermes runs things, OpenCode builds. The moment you let Hermes write code itself, the quality drops. That's the piece that breaks if you skip it. Second, free models get busy and rotate in and out. So lean on OmniRoute's auto-fallback and you'll keep running even when one gets rate limited. And third, start small. Drop one ticket on the board, watch it go the whole way through, then build up to a full plan once you trust it. So that's the full system. If you want the complete process, the SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases just like this one, come and join the AI Success Lab. The links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus our community of 85,000 people who are all putting AI to work. And when you're ready to run this for yourself, come and join us in the AI Profit Boardroom. Because here's what's going to happen when you try it. You'll get it working, and then you'll run into the small stuff. A model that won't connect, a board that stalls partway through, a profile that isn't routing quite right. That's exactly what we work through together on the coaching calls, screen shared, live. You get my full Agent OS as a ready-to-install zip, with Hermes and OpenCode already built in, the full 30-day roadmap to get it all going, plus the tutorials and prompts for this exact setup. With over 4,000 members already inside. Come and join us at aiprofitboardroom.com.